Let's talk about how the equity markets fared in an awful day of trade as the Nifty fell for the fifth straight day, falling close to 1.3%, its lowest since the 28th of June. Very disappointing as we just about clung on to 57.50 levels. For the broader markets, that's where you saw deeper gashes coming in. So almost 2% off triple-digit cuts. In terms of sectoral indices, well, pretty much everything was in the red. From real estate to take a look at how the oil and gas index panned out, almost a 4% cut. You had the power sector, which was rather weak, and the only flicker of green that you saw, and it was very flat, you'd have to say, would be the IT basket. Some of the big losers, well, take a look as to how most of the oil marketing companies, the likes of HPCL and BPCL, were knocked out of shape today. Cut of 8.5%, Reliance Infrastructure, DLF and Ranbaxy, 2 down and out. Some result reactions then, Dr. Reddy's, as we pointed out. Well, the earnings came in below what the street was expecting, so profits were higher by just about 7.5%. The top line growth came in higher by 12% and margins at 20%. The global generic revenues were higher by close to 15% and the stock was in the red. Meantime, Reliance Infrastructure too put out its numbers. On a consolidated basis, you had the profits which came in higher by 0.7%. The sales were higher by 1.3% and margins stood at 13.2%. Havells, the numbers came out and what a howler that was. The counter really suffered in the session. As you can see, almost a 13% cut as the standalone sales missed by almost 100 crore rupees. The consolidated revenues missed the target by almost 80 crores and the profit miss was almost 34 crores as the cable business revenues dropped 6% to 405 crores and Sylvania posted a loss of 6.2 crores. Remember, we were expecting a turnaround in this quarter. Reliance Power also came out with a disappointing set where the profits were higher by just about 0.2% to 240 crores and total income came in at 1122 crore rupees. NTPC too declared its numbers and the profits came in at 2530 crores, that's higher by 1.2%. The revenues were down by close to 3.4% with the margins seeing good expansion of 27.5%. In the meantime, you had some of the other stocks in focus like GAIL. Barclays downgraded the counter to an underweight with a target price of 310. The counter was weak. Jaiprakash Associates plummeted as Citi downgraded the stock to neutral with a target of 48 rupees. And Geometric, which posted its results, also disappointed as the margins contracted by 300 basis points. Those are some of the gainers. IDFC, JSPL, it's putting out its numbers today and it is in the race to acquire Stemco's assets in India. HCL Tech and Sun Pharma too were pretty active. HCL Tech, in fact, will be posting its numbers tomorrow.